When you look around the world, you'll notice something strange. Some people in their 70s look and move like they're in their 40s. Their skin is firmer, their posture is stronger, their energy is higher, and their biological age is dramatically younger than their actual age. This is not luck, and it is not genetics alone. In this video, we're going to break down the real science behind why some 70-year-olds appear decades younger, what habits, environments, and biological mechanisms slow aging, and how these patterns show up consistently in the people who age the slowest. Most people think aging is simply the number of birthdays they've had, but science shows otherwise. There are two kinds of age: chronological age, the number of years you've been alive; biological age, how old your cells, organs, and tissues actually behave. Two people who are both 70 years old can have biological ages that differ by 10, 20, or even 30 years. Those who look 45 at 70 are biologically younger, and their habits explain why. Who age slowly almost always share one habit: they move every single day. But it's not extreme workouts, it's not heavy gym routines, it's simple, daily, low-intensity movement. Walking, gardening, swimming, cycling, cleaning, stretching. Science shows that frequent movement lowers inflammation, improves circulation, increases mitochondrial function, preserves muscle, protects joints, and prevents insulin resistance. In long-term studies, daily movement is one of the single strongest predictors of youthful aging. A surprising fact: muscle is one of the most powerful anti-aging systems in the human body. People who look much younger at 70 have more lean muscle than average. Not bodybuilder muscle, simply enough to stay strong and functional. More muscle leads to higher metabolism, better glucose control, reduced inflammation, stronger bones, improved posture, faster recovery, better hormonal balance. Muscle literally tells your body, stay young, stay capable. This is why resistance training, even light resistance, is considered one of the most powerful anti-aging tools on Earth. One of the most damaging accelerators of aging is chronic stress. High stress raises cortisol, which breaks down collagen, increases fat storage, disrupts sleep, accelerates wrinkles, increases inflammation, and decreases immune strength. People who age slowly often live calmer lifestyles, maintain strong social connections, have daily routines, stay positive and grateful. Avoid chaotic environments, practice hobbies that relax the mind. Their internal chemistry is different. Their bodies are not bathing in stress hormones. This alone makes them appear years younger. People who look decades younger at 70 rarely follow fad diets, but they almost always eat in a way that lowers inflammation. Common patterns include lots of vegetables and fruits, whole grains, fish, and lean proteins, legumes, nuts, and seeds, olive oil, low sugar intake, minimal processed foods. This style of eating, similar to Mediterranean or Blue Zone patterns, reduces oxidative stress, protects the heart, stabilizes blood sugar, and maintains youthful skin. One of the biggest predictors of premature aging is high sugar intake. Those who age slowly tend to naturally avoid sugary, ultra-processed foods. Harvard's longest-running study found something unexpected. People with strong social relationships live longer, stay healthier, and look younger. Humans are biologically wired for connection. Loneliness triggers stress pathways that weaken immunity, increase inflammation, accelerate cognitive decline, raise cortisol, and shorten lifespan. People who age slowly maintain friendships, family ties, community roles, and meaningful relationships. This emotional stability protects their biology. Sleep is the natural version of anti-aging treatment. During deep sleep, growth hormone rises, cells repair, the brain clears toxins, tissues rebuild, and inflammation drops. People who age slowly, sleep enough hours, sleep deeply, maintain consistent routines, avoid late-night stress, limit alcohol. Don't rely on heavy stimulants. Good sleep literally reverses daily damage. This might be the strongest non-physical factor of all. People in their 70s who look decades younger almost always have something they look forward to. A job, a passion, a project, a garden, a community role, a daily habit, a personal mission. Scientists call this ikigai, or reason for living. Purpose reduces stress, extends lifespan, and keeps the mind sharp. When the mind feels alive, the body follows. Just as important as what they do is what they don't do. People who age slowly tend to avoid excessive alcohol, smoking, chronic overeating, sugary drinks, ultra-processed foods, staying sedentary, constant stress, sleep deprivation, extreme weight fluctuations. These are the habits scientifically linked to accelerated aging. Avoiding them is like removing the fast-forward button from the aging process. Youthfulness is not just in the face, it's in how the body moves. People who look younger often protect their knees, hips, back, shoulders. They avoid overloading their joints and instead use gentle, sustainable exercise. And for skin, the patterns are simple: regular hydration, sun protection, proper sleep, low-stress, nutrient-rich foods, natural oils, not harsh chemicals. Their skin reflects their internal health, not just genetics. The biggest difference between someone who ages quickly and someone who ages slowly is simple: consistency. Not intensity, not perfection. Consistency. The people who age the slowest are not the ones doing extreme fitness or strict diets. They simply repeat normal, healthy behaviors for decades. Small habits, done daily, beat extreme habits, done occasionally. Some 70-year-olds look 45 because their biology, lifestyle, and environment protect them from the forces that usually accelerate aging. They move often, eat whole foods, sleep well, avoid chronic stress, stay socially connected, and maintain purpose. Aging slowly isn't magic. It's the result of behaviors that support the body's repair systems instead of overwhelming them. These are patterns anyone can apply. You may not control your genetics, but you do control the environment your genes respond to. And that environment determines whether you age quickly or gracefully.